Hey Spring Inspired people, it's Imani here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if it's your first time. If you've been here for a while, then you can see that I look a little bit different than usual. Yes, I am wearing a headband wig. Is another headband wig video. I think I've watched all of them and I have been thoroughly influenced by the influencers to get myself a headband wig and just have a new look for a change. As you know, I am all about natural hair, wearing your natural hair. I have been for the last 20 years, and I think the last time I bought a wig was in 2013, and even then I was forced into it because it was for an event that I had to wear a wig for. But I've never really been about the wig life, really. Not because I look down upon it or anything, but it just didn't seem necessary because I was really happy just doing my own hair. But life has changed for me recently. I'm just a lot more busier than I've ever been. I'm studying. If you didn't know, I'm studying for an accountancy qualification. Good news is I'm doing really well at the moment. I've sort of got halfway and passed part of the qualification already. But I've got children, and this year as well with lockdown, I haven't really been doing my hair much, and my hair actually is in need of some TLC. So I thought, okay, what can I do to give my hair some love and at the same time look good when I needed to. I also want more time to create more content. Sometimes I can come up with a really great idea, or I really feel in the mood. I wake up in the morning, I'm feeling really in the mood to create content, and then I look at my hair and think, no, actually I need to either wash it or style it, and then that can just sometimes just throw me off, and in the end I don't actually do what I said I was going to do. So in the sense that I can now just throw on something quickly that looks good, that looks very much like my natural hair, and it is so simple to wear. They are not lying. They are not lying when they say that headband wigs are really the way to go if you just want that easy, simple look, especially if you're like me and you're not very good at putting wigs on. Getting a full lace wig was never an option for me. I don't want to be fiddling around with glue. And also, I want to be able to take my wig off at the end of the day. Even after this video, I will take the wig off and get on with my life. So it's just really for the times when I just want to look put together without having to do my hair. And also, I'm going to take the opportunity to just keep my hair underneath in protective styles, in twists, moisturize it, take care of it more than I have been over this past year. I know there are a lot of headband wig reviews out there, but I wanted to come from the perspective of someone that didn't get the wig in a PR package. It wasn't sent to me. I paid for it myself, and I actually bought it online at AliExpress.com. It's the first time I've ever purchased anything from AliExpress. I really don't like buying things internationally. Even on eBay, I always pick UK only supplies because I just don't want the hassle of just waiting for your package, wondering whether it's going to arrive, and then the dreaded taxes when it arrives. Twice I've brought items from America, and the taxes that I had to pay on those items, it was just not worth it. So I was a little bit apprehensive about having to buy something that's coming from China. And I also didn't really go to a supplier on AliExpress that I knew. I just sort of randomly decided on a particular one, and I decided on a company called Luffy Wig. So I was a little bit apprehensive about buying something on AliExpress. I wasn't sure what the customer service was going to be like. But even though I had a little bit of a hiccup that had nothing to do with Luffy Wig, but everything to do with FedEx, it turned out all right in the end. I did get good customer service from Luffy Wig in the end. So I'll tell you exactly what happened. Basically, I'd ordered the wig. They were very good in communicating with me, telling me when the wig was made, when they had sent the wig. They gave me a tracking number with FedEx and told me that, you know, make sure that you track it and ensure that you do not tell them to leave the package outside on your doorstep, ensure that you sign for the package or that you are home to receive the package. And you know, I'm working from home at the moment, so that was not a problem. So I think I waited about 5 or 6 days for the delivery. The delivery date came, and I was sitting here, and all of a sudden I got a notification from FedEx to say that the package had been left at the side door. Why have you left the package outside? I was fuming. But anyway, I went to look outside, and there was no package there. So as far as I was concerned, wherever they left the package, it was definitely not outside my door. So then I contacted FedEx, and they were so unhelpful. They basically said, well, you know, the driver says he's gone to the correct address, and he's left the package outside. And I said, well, I specifically asked for the package not to be left outside because, you know, this is a package that I'd paid quite a bit of money for, and I didn't want it to just be left outside. I live in a block of flats, and, you know, anybody could have picked that up, which I think either happened, or what else I think, they went to the wrong property, because what they then did is send the driver back to the property to knock on the door, apparently, to check that they'd gone to the right property. Again, I waited in the house waiting for this driver to arrive, and there was no knock on the door. So I called FedEx and said, well, you know, if you sent the driver to come back to the property, he didn't come to mine, I'm home all day, nobody's knocked on my door, he has obviously put this package in the wrong property. But they were so adamant and said that the driver is sure that they sent the package to the right place, and I was really getting annoyed at this point. So then I had to go back to the supplier in China, to Luffy Wig, and say, look, this is what's happening. FedEx is adamant that they have delivered the item, but I've not got it. They've obviously put it, they've obviously delivered the package at the wrong address. And I felt for Luffy Wig in a sense that, you know, this is a small business, you know, we're in a pandemic. They have generally sent the item, and FedEx have lost the package. Do they now trust me in the sense that, am I telling the truth? I mean, obviously, I knew I was telling the truth. I don't have time for things like that. I'd paid nearly £130, and I just wanted the wig. So to speed up the story, we went back and forth a little bit, and in the end, they decided to resend the wig to me, which I think is fair. It's good customer service. I was telling the truth. I had not received the package. I think it was the right thing to do. So they sent it, and this time it arrived, and I got my wig. It was nearly going to be a frustrating experience, but in the end, it all worked out. And, you know, buying from AliExpress is not that bad. I'll leave all the details of the wig in the description, but when it arrived in this box by Luffy, the actually called Luffy Beauty. It came in a natural colour, which just didn't really match my natural hair because I dyed my hair black. So I decided to dye the wig. I did it myself. I thought, well, how hard could it be? It's just like dyeing your natural hair. I only used one packet of dye, but the hair is so dense that really you'd probably need about two packets of dye to really dye this hair properly. But what I did was just concentrate on the top and the areas that you could see. Then I thoroughly saturated the wig in conditioner. I used my Tresemme conditioner and just allowed that conditioner to sit in the hair for a while. It took about 2 to 3 days after that to dry, and then I applied some low to body Wrap Me foaming mousse on the hair, and then just to put some oil on top. When you first get the wig and when it dries, especially with the foaming mousse I used, the hair was very defined. So I have gone in and just fluffed it up a bit, loosened up the curls, and I'm just really happy with the look. I'm happy with the length. I went for the 200 density and 20 inches. Could have gone shorter, but I think this is okay for now. Oh, also they added some headbands in the package when it arrived. So I'll put one on for you now. They are, I mean, they're nice. They're nice. They're okay. That's it with the headband, which I think is really nice. Obviously, you can choose to change it up with your own headband. What else do I have to say about the wig? Also, I took out the combs that are in there, the combs used to secure the wig in your hair, because they were just because they were just catching on my natural hair and just pulling out strands of my hair. So I didn't like that. I don't know whether I've made the wig a little bit less secure, but it does have adjusting straps at the back to use as well. But yeah, I took out the combs because it was just catching on my hair and I didn't like that. That's it. That's my review of the wig. I absolutely love it. The texture, the hair, the quality is just perfect. It's just what I wanted. So really happy. Hope you enjoyed this review. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you get one for yourself. Keep taking spread inspired actions, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.